Ever felt like you're spending more time chasing down files and sorting through conflicting feedback than actually doing the work? If your collaborations feel messy, a mix of email chains, scattered documents, and cryptic chat messages, you're not alone. I've been there. For years, every time I partnered with a client, a fellow creator, or even worked internally on a big project, the chaos was the default. It slowed down everything and, frankly, drained my energy. I was searching for a single source of truth, a place where the project brief, the assets, the timeline, the tasks, and the final deliverables could all live harmoniously. And I finally found it. My secret weapon? Shared Notion pages. This isn't just about dumping files into a cloud folder. This is about building a dynamic, transparent, and ultra-efficient hub for every single collaboration. Here is the exact three-step system I use to turn collaborative chaos into organized flow. 1. The Collaborative Command Center. The first thing I do for any new project is create a dedicated Notion page, which instantly becomes our collaborative command center. I start with a high-level table of contents. This isn't just a list. It's a navigational blueprint. Key sections include project brief and goals. Clearly define the why and the what. This eliminates scope creep and keeps everyone aligned. Team directory. Who is doing what and how can they be reached? Timeline and milestones. Database view. I use a simple Notion database with a calendar or timeline view so everyone can instantly see deadlines. I color code tasks by status, to do, in progress, complete, for immediate visual clarity. Assets and resources. This links to a gallery view database where we store brand guides, high-res images, and relevant research. No more searching email archives for the logo. 2. The feedback loop blueprint. This is where Notion truly shines and saves me hours. Instead of reviewing a draft document with a million comments in a separate program, I bring the review process into the command center. For the actual working document, let's say a video script or a draft blog post, I create a linked page within the command center. When it's time for review, I tag the specific collaborator using the @mention feature, directing their attention precisely where it's needed. They can then add their comments directly on the line or paragraph. Because the comments are linked to their user account and live right next to the content, the confusion about who said what and where completely vanishes. I can resolve comments with a single click, creating an instant audit trail of decisions made. The key here is setting the expectation up front. All feedback must live in the Notion page. 3. The task and action tracker. Finally, we have the most critical element, the action tracker. This is a simple Kanban board, a database with a board view, within the command center. Every time a decision is made, every time feedback is resolved, and every time a new deliverable is discussed, an action item is created immediately and assigned to a person. Columns. I use to do, blocked, in review, and done. Properties. Each card has an assignee, using the person property, and a due date. This tracker completely replaces those confusing internal chats that end with, "Wait, who was supposed to do that?" By checking the board, everyone knows their next step, and I can see the entire project's velocity at a glance. This three-step system, the command center for structure, the integrated feedback loop, and the crystal-clear action tracker, has transformed my collaborations from frustrating to friction-free. It builds trust, boosts transparency, and allows everyone to focus on their genius instead of managing administrative overhead. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.